In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up approvals for time entries and time off in QuickBooks Time. We'll do everything in a laptop browser, and I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along without pausing. Before you start, make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to change company settings, since only admins and certain managers can adjust approval preferences. Once you're logged into your QuickBooks Time account, look to the left side of the screen and open the company settings. This is where all your organization-wide preferences live. From there, select Time Options. This section controls how time is captured, edited, and reviewed, and it's the hub for the approvals workflow you're putting in place. Scroll down until you reach the time entry section. Here, you'll enable the email notifications that support approvals for timesheet edits and notes. Turn on email administrators when team members add or edit timesheet notes. Then turn on email group managers when team members add or edit timesheet notes. These alerts make sure the right people are notified the moment changes happen, so they can review, approve, or follow up as needed. It's a simple way to add oversight without slowing your team down, and it creates a clear record of who changed what and when. Next, keep scrolling to the Time Off section. Under Approval Required, make sure the option is checked. With this enabled, all time off requests must be approved by an administrator or a manager before they become part of your schedule. This is essential for maintaining coverage and avoiding conflicts, and it gives your leaders a reliable way to review balances and timing before any request is finalized. If your workflow calls for it, you can also allow managers to edit team members' time off ledgers by checking Allow managers to edit team members' time off ledgers. This optional setting is helpful when managers need to correct balances or handle special cases, but only turn it on if you want that level of control in their hands. When you're done, click Save to apply all of your approval settings. Don't skip this step. Saving locks in the workflow you've configured and ensures the changes take effect for everyone. From now on, any edits, notes, and time off requests will follow this approvals workflow. Your admins and group managers will be notified of timesheet notes and edits, and time off will require approval before it's finalized, giving you better accuracy, accountability, and visibility across your team. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.